We're with ECU Sustainability. We basically try to keep the school as environmentally friendly as possible. So we do different projects like different events, different volunteer opportunities. We work with our local community garden, just trying to work with our community and the campus itself. We have a few giveaways here. Some of our mapping projects that we do on campus include like our tree trail guide, different things like that. But yeah, that's about it.
We are Planet ECU. We're the social organization for the DEEP department. We are actually having a little GeoGuessr event today where we give you pictures of the building or of places on campus, and you have to find it on this map. We do fun events like little get-togethers with students. All people can join.
This is a DJI Phantom 4 V2. It's a small, lightweight quadcopter, and we use it out in the field to survey and record imagery just in the visible spectrum, so the red, green, and blue bands that you get from this camera, to record different landscapes like marsh, seagrass, living shorelines, oysters. Actually, we're trying to even dive into stingray pits as well. So it's cool, lightweight. We just set it to fly on a pre-made flight path. That way it can record all of its imagery, and then we can take that to stitch it and align it all together in a structure from motion processing software to derive all of our data products.
So this is our little drone boat. This is our Echo boat. And so what we do is we mount our global navigation satellite system on it and a sonar. And so this allows us to measure the sea for bathymetry. Over here we have our LiDAR drone. So this is a light detection and ranging. So these laser pulses will bounce off Earth's surface and they'll be received back to the receiver, and we get this nice, neat, what we call 3D point clouds. So we're gonna make a 3D map of whatever it is that we're flying. And then this is our vertical takeoff and landing. So this is a fixed wing, which is different than what Brendan had, our little quadcopter. So this is more like an airplane. So the way that this thing takes off is it'll go straight, and then it flips while in the air, and then it flies. And so this is really great because in the past, the ones that we would use, we would actually have to throw them into the air. And so this allows us to have a little bit more control with our landing, keeps the aircraft safer. It also ends up with a more safe flight. So these are our vertical takeoff and landing, fixed wing, our LiDAR, our Echo boat. Walmart was doing deliveries for a while here in Greenville using these. You could deliver pizzas with them and a 2-liter of Coke if you wanted. So this is our workhorse, and we're able to put on all kinds of different sensors. And so about 15 pounds. And so that makes this really fun because we can try out geophysics, we can try out thermal, we can do multispectral, LiDAR, all kinds of different sensors.
We are here to present the ESDN for the Environmental Sensor Data Network. This type of devices, they are commercial grade devices. The manufacturer will sell you a solution to communicate using LTE. It works perfectly fine, but you're going to have a subscription for each device type, as well as a cloud for each manufacturer. And your data is going to be scattered across various clouds. Now, because we use LoRaWAN, we are able to have all of those devices communicating using the same protocol and sending all of their data to the same cloud. And this allows us to centralize all of our data. So now those devices are solar powered. There's no fee associated with the wireless transmission. So we can collect as much data as we want. We can have alerts based on the water level, or alerts based on the battery level, or if a device hasn't been sending data for more than 1 hour, we can be notified and take action. So this is what we're trying to do. Say otherwise, we're trying to lower the cost of acquiring data.